Sir, we've reached the rendezvous coordinates. No contacts. Looks like the Mobius ship hasn't arrived yet.
That's strange. It ain't like them to be late.
Sir, Dominion ship's warping in. Mengsk's flagship is leading them.
Sweet mother of mercy.
Sir, their shields are still down. I don't like this.
Matt, pull us alongside and prep docking tubes.
Commander, this is not a smart move.
You wanted your revolution, kid. Now you got it.
Turn around, Arcturus. I want you to see this coming.
You won't find my father here, Commander. I am Valerian Mengsk, and I own the Mobius Foundation. Through them, I own you as well.
Tell me why I shouldn't kill you right now.
Because I can offer you what you've always wanted. A chance to rescue Sarah Kerrigan.
The artifact fragments you've been collecting are of Xel'Naga origin. With them, I can construct a device that will reverse the infestation that transformed Kerrigan into the Queen of Blades. You're the only man who's been close to her and lived to tell the tale. You know her tactics, you know her strategies. And I know you'd risk anything for the chance to bring her back.
Sir, tell me you're not seriously considering this deal with Valerian.
Sounds like a golden deal to me, Jimmy. Kerrigan turns human, takes a bullet between the eyes. You can put your past to rest and still make one hell of a payday.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Tygus.
Assaulting Char is a suicide mission. You'd be putting all our lives on the line just to get your girlfriend back.
This is bigger than all of us, Matt.
It ain't about me. This is the only real chance we're ever gonna get, and I'm taking it.
So which is it gonna be, Jimmy? We bringing Kerrigan back, or putting her in the ground?
That's for me to decide. You both got a lot of prep work to do. Get to it.
Shotgun.
Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
Got a Zerg and shotgun. And I'm bringing
This is Kate Lockwell for UNN. Tonight, top Dominion military analysts are still confused and relieved to report that while attacks do continue throughout the Fringe, the main Zerg push into Dominion space seems to have slowed.
That's wonderful news, Kate. Our boys have really taken the fight to the Zerg.
Of course, Donnie. But there's also a sense that whatever the Zerg were after, they either got it or they've given up on it. We may never know.
You heard it here first.
So these artifacts are the key to freeing Kerrigan. Pretty amazing coincidence, Tygus just showing up out of the blue. offering us the job to collect these damn things.
Statistically, sir, the probability of coincidence is minuscule. However, these artifacts do represent a power beyond our current scientific understanding. If anything could give the Queen of Blades pause, perhaps these are it?
All this ancient alien hocus-pocus is a little out of my pay scale. I just pray that when the time comes, these things bring her back to me. So, what's the problem, Swan?
What's the problem? You only signed us up with our mortal enemies. Every one of these boys lost family or friends to Mengsk. We're gonna be sitting on a powder keg pretty soon. Can't you see that?
It ain't up for discussion, Swan. I gotta do this.
Sir, we're receiving a transmission from the Bucephalus. Prince Valerian's holding on the communicator for you.
You sure about this? You gotta know Mengsk is gunning for you. He'll hit you in a way you'll never see coming.
I can handle Mengsk, Tychus.
Just watch your back, old buddy. That's all I'm asking.
I said I can handle it. If you don't want to be a part of this, you can take your 30% and go.
Sir, I have to question your objectivity on this alliance. It's obviously a trap.
I got it covered, Matt. I'm asking you to trust me.
We were starting to make real progress against Mengsk. If we go after the Queen of Blades, we're throwing that away.
This is bigger than Mengsk. Matt, if we succeed on Char, we'll save billions of lives. Billions. Mengsk can wait.
I didn't sign up for this.
You signed up to follow my orders. If you can't do that anymore, then get the hell off my ship!
Sir.
Commander Raynor. I thought we might discuss the expedition to Char. Now...
This is a dangerous game you're playing, kid. What's your stake in all this?
Jim, I really think we should... I can see why my father wants to kill you.
I asked you a question.
Everyone wonders if I will be as good an emperor as my father. But I want something more. To prove that I will be a better emperor and a better man.
That shouldn't be hard.
If I reform the worst mass murderer in history, make her human again, teamed with the famous outlaw Jim Raynor, that's all the proof I'll need.
So I'm just a cog in your machine.
If it gets you what you want, do you care?
Guess I don't.
The decrypted adjutant contains records proving Mengsk ordered the massacre on Tarsonis. Now we just need to broadcast those records. Mirahan gave us a tip that might help. The Dominion is unveiling a new war machine called the Odin on Korhal. If we hijack the Odin, we can use it to gain access to the UNN studios and broadcast the records of Mengsk's war crimes. The Odin is currently in the testing facility on Valhalla.
Our team's in position. We're ready to steal the Odin. Are you absolutely sure about this, sir?
Yep. Tychus is definitely our best man for this kind of job.
He does get a little excited in combat. We're gonna need to keep up with him once the fighting starts.
If he can actually commandeer the Odin, it's vital that we take out all the Dominion bases in the area. Hopefully we can block all transmissions long enough for him to do that. We can't risk word of this getting back to Korhal.
How much do we know about this Odin?
It's an experimental super heavy siege walker designed for prolonged frontline combat. Very powerful.
Great. Even Tychus can't wreck it then.
Here they go.
Go, go, go! Who wants some? Wow.
This ain't a stealth mission anymore, ladies.
Bring it louder, fast. Affirmative. Aye, aye, sir. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Got it. Activate the auto turrets!
You ain't keeping me from that monster.
Sure. Gangway. Go, go, go!
Hot damn. I can't wait to get inside that thing and tear this place up.
Hold your position, Tychus. Let us get a support force up there to cover you.
That's what I'm talking about.
Damn it, Tychus. Stand down. Can you read me?
He's got it stuck on transmit, sir. He can't hear us at all. Defenses are coming online at the Dominion bases.
Wonderful. Get our base set up ASAP. We'll just have to follow him in and hope he doesn't get too crazy. I hope I kid him.
Ah! Huh? Yeah. You gonna give me orders? Who wants some? SCV ready. Oh yeah. SCV ready.
Sir, I'm picking up Dominion battle cruisers on an intercept course with the Odin.
Hey, Oddshot, you want these Wraith fighters now? They'll take down a battlecruiser easy. You can build more to stop for. Go ahead, Command. Be ready. Attack formation. Been waiting for that. SCV ready. You're the boss.
Not enough energy. Add-on complete.
Armed and ready.
So what's the plan now, Commander? Trash them bases
Not enough minerals. Our allies are being attacked.
You want some of this? Boom.
Transmit coordinates. Whoa, they're all over me, boy. Go ahead, Command.
Our allies are being attacked.
You gonna give me orders?
Sir, you seem to have found something very interesting there. If you can bring me a sample in the lab, that would be great.
Transmit orders. Greetings, Commander.
Our allies are being attacked.
What's going on? Yeah, whatever.
Man, I need SCVs to fix some of this damage. Starting to feel a mite sluggish.
Does he always talk this much, sir?
Yeah, but once you get him in a fight, he never shuts up.
Well, now that's done with, I'm gonna take me a little break. Good thing I brought me some liquid refreshment.
Go, go, go! Been waiting who wants some. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. You want a piece of me, boy?
Now that hit the spot. There's nothing like knocking back a cold one on top of your enemy's smoking corpses.
The doctor is in.
Commencing.
You gonna give me orders?
Ah! You scared me!
Upgrade complete.
Yep.
I can't wait no longer. Here it comes.
This better be good.
Our allies are being attacked.
Who wants some?
being attacked.
Been waiting on you. This better be good. Whoa, they're all over me, boy. You got it. This better be good.
Better send some body bags.
Okay, flashy red button. What do you do? Boom, baby.
The doctor is in.
Damn. That is hot. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Transmit coordinates. You gonna give me orders?
The doctor is
Upgrade complete.
This better be good.
I have no idea what that is. Can you bring me a sample in the lab? Maybe something good will come of it.
Coming through. Sure. Will do. Reckon you boys will need some time to catch up. Good old Tychus be right here taking it easy. You want to just wake me up when you're all ready. I reckon a small nuke ought to do it. It's your time. Go ahead. We hear you. Go, go, go! By the number. You gonna give me orders? Speak up! It's all me! This better be good. Been waiting on you. Come on, Jimmy. We got heads to break.
Our allies are being attacked.
Big job, huh?
Our allies are being attacked.
Want some of this?
Our allies are being attacked. Not enough energy.
Time to kick ass and chew bubble gum. Standing by. Go ahead, Commander. Boom, baby. Reporting in. Go ahead, Commander. Transmit coordinates. Standing by.
What's going on? Bad news?
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
What's going on? Yeah, whatever.
Reporting in. This better be good.
Our allies are being attacked.
Will do.
Upgrade complete.
3 bases down. Maybe the convict has his uses after all.
Sure thing. You know, I think I'll take me another breather. You better get some backup ready for me, Jimmy. I reckon these Dominion boys will put up a fight this time. I ain't barely broke a sweat. I see your little guys running around down there. They look like ants.
Command.
Go ahead, Command. You want a piece of me, boy? Reporting in.
Need something.
Armed
Armed and ready. Who wants some?
Here we go. I'm hitting my stride now.
This better be good. Go, go, go! Orders received.
Transmit course. Want some of this? Reporting in. Standing by. Go ahead, Commander. Standing by. Go ahead. Reporting in. Transmit course. Roger.
Upgrade complete.
Can't wait to dig into that! Scientifically, I mean. I'm not going to eat it.
Want some?
Upgrade complete.
Go ahead, Commander. Thrusters
Mineral field completed.
That's fine. This better be good.
Our allies are being attacked.
Kick ass and chew bubblegum.
This is gonna get tricky. I'm detecting battle cruisers at the next base, and the Odin doesn't have strong anti-air capabilities.
Scramble more wraiths from the starport. If we have enough, we can handle those battle cruisers.
Now that was fun. Don't worry, old buddy. I'll give you some time to catch up. Well, I'll be. Those Those Dominion eggheads really thought of everything. Pardon me a moment. You want a piece of me, boy? We could use some help There we go. You ready yet? By the numbers, boys. Orders received. You gonna give me orders?
Trent, standing by.
Cool. What's up? You want a piece of me, boy?
Additional supply depots required.
Bad news? Armed and ready. I hope you're reading this, Jimmy, because I'm heading for the last base now. By the...
Go ahead, Command.
Complete.
Aye, aye, sir.
Standing by. Thrusters to max. Attack formation. Coordinates received.
This better be good.
Transmit coordinates. Will do, Command.
What's up?
Go ahead, Command.
Our allies are being attacked.
Great, the waiting order. Reporting in. Thrusters to max. Coordinates received. Reporting in. Rate the waiting orders.
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Hello there. Now, how'd I miss this button with a skull on it?
Vector locked in.
Oh, baby. You're in for a world of pain.
Will do.
Armed and ready.
Excellent. With the Odin secured, we can hit the UNN complex on Core Hall and make our broadcast.
Hey, you hear me, Captain? Maybe next time you'll trust old Tychus with a little bit of mayhem.
That's about all I trust you with, Tychus.